Have you ever wondered what would happen if another planet suddenly started hurtling towards Earth? What if it was twice the size of Mars, hurtling towards us at 60 kilometers per second? How long would we have to prepare for the end of the world? Let's find out. Welcome to our channel. And today we'll take a look at what would happen if another planet crashed into Earth. If this happened, it would rewrite our planet's history, destroying everything we know, and perhaps creating new conditions for life. Let's dive into the simulation data. Number 1. Planetary collisions have happened before, around 4.5 billion years ago. Earth collided with a Mars-sized planet called Theia. This cosmic impact is believed to have formed the Moon. So this isn't science. It's fiction, it's scientific history. No. 2. The force involved would be unimaginable. A collision with a planet-sized object would release more energy than every nuclear bomb on Earth detonated at once billions of times over. It would likely vaporize Earth's crust instantly. No. 3. Tidal forces would start destruction before the impact. Long before actual contact, gravitational tidal forces from the incoming planet would cause massive earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis across the globe. No. For atmosphere would be ripped away. The collision would strip Earth's atmosphere, exposing the planet to intense solar and cosmic radiation, making life instantly unsustainable. No. 5. The core may be exposed or displaced. Depending on the impact angle, Earth's iron core could be ejected, melted, or fused with the other planet's core, completely rewriting the planet's internal structure. Number 6. A new planet could be formed. In simulations, some planetary collisions result in a massive debris disk, which eventually coalesces into a new planet or moon-like, a second Earth or a supermoon. Number 7. Speed is key to catastrophe. A planet crashing into Earth at orbital speeds would create shock waves so intense, they'd liquefy the mantle and cause instant mass extinction. No. 8. All life would be erased in moments. Surface life would be vaporized in under a second. Even deep ocean or subterranean life wouldn't survive the global heating, pressure, shock, or atmospheric loss. Number 9. The night sky would warn us, barely. If a planet-sized object was on a collision course, we might see it brightening the night sky in its final days. But depending on its speed and approach, it could arrive with little warning. Number 10. The Earth could be knocked from orbit. If the impact didn't destroy Earth, it could destabilize our orbit, sending Earth into deep space or toward the Sun, both resulting in planetary death. Ow. Number 11. A grazing impact could create a binary planet. If the impact is not head-on but glancing, the result could be two Earth-sized remnants orbiting each other. Binary planet system, rare but theoretically possible. Number 12. Debris would orbit the Sun or form a new ring around Earth. The impact would eject trillions of tons of rock and gas. Some would form a temporary ring around Earth, or be launched into solar orbit, possibly triggering meteor showers across the system. Number 13. Jupiter could prevent this or cause it. Jupiter's massive gravity often acts as a solar system shield, deflecting rogue objects. But under certain conditions, it could also redirect a rogue planet toward Earth. Number 14. If the Moon collided instead. Still a catastrophe. Even Earth's moon smaller than a planet would cause global annihilation if it crashed into Earth. Oceans would vaporize, crusts would shatter, and gravity would be torn apart. Number 15. It could reset the planet for new life. Eventually, while it would destroy all current life. Some theories suggest that such collisions could reshape planets, redistribute elements, and eventually create new conditions for life to evolve again. Now let's take a closer look at some of these points. Point 2. The force involved would be unimaginable. A collision with a planet-sized object would release more energy than every nuclear bomb on Earth detonated at once billions of times over. It would likely vaporize Earth's crust instantly. Imagine the colossal force of billions of atomic bombs going off simultaneously. That's the kind of unimaginable power we're talking about. This cataclysmic event would vaporize Earth's outer layer with ease. Point 7. Speed is key to catastrophe. Planet crashing into Earth at orbital speeds, roughly between 30 and 70 kilometers per second, would create shock waves so intense that they'd liquefy the mantle and cause instant mass extinction. Picture a speeding planet slamming into Earth at breakneck speeds. The impact would generate shock waves that race through our planet's interior. These waves would be so powerful that they'd turn Earth's rigid mantle into a searing liquid. Any life forms in the planet's core would be utterly obliterated. The surface, no exception. Every living thing on Earth would be wiped out in a flash, leaving the planet momentarily scorched. Point 10. The Earth could be knocked from orbit. If the impact didn't destroy Earth, it could destabilize our orbit, sending Earth into deep space or toward the Sun, both resulting in planetary death. Imagine the planet Earth, slightly singed, but still hanging on after the near-death experience with an incoming planet. However, the aftermath takes a turn for the worse. The impact has destabilized Earth's orbit around the Sun. Now the planet is flung into the cold expanse of deep space. Without the Sun's life-giving warmth, Earth becomes a frozen wasteland, devoid of life. Or in another scenario, Earth gets catapulted into a fiery plunge towards the Sun. Now scorched by the Sun's searing embrace, Earth is consumed, turning into a lifeless cinder. Point 13. Jupiter could prevent this or cause it. Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system, acts as a guardian, deflecting many icy visitors that come too close. Its immense gravity is a relentless force, constantly shaping the paths of objects that dare to venture near. However, there are instances where Jupiter's influence goes awry. Under specific conditions, this massive planet can inadvertently nudge a rogue planet on a collision course with Earth. Imagine this: a rogue planet drifting aimlessly through the solar system, a cosmic vagabond with no celestial home. For a time, it dances around the Sun, evading the clutches of Jupiter, the solar system's vigilant guardian. But fate intervenes when Jupiter's gravitational pull catches the rogue planet off guard. The planet is redirected, hurtling towards Earth. Now the very existence of our planet is threatened. Point 15. It could reset the planet for new life. Eventually, while it would destroy all current life. Some theories suggest that such collisions could reshape planets, redistribute elements, and eventually create new conditions for life to evolve again. Picture this: after the dust settles and the planet Earth reels from the impact of a rogue planet, there's a moment of profound change. The impact has reshaped the planet, altering its composition and structure like never before. Over eons, geological processes begin to heal the wounds of the impact. Volcanoes reshape the crust, oceans form, and life begins to stir. Yet again, the cycle of life continues, albeit different from before. Perhaps this new Earth becomes a cradle for life forms that could never have evolved under the old conditions. This simulation gives us a glimpse into the dramatic changes that could occur on Earth. While the thought of a rogue planet colliding with our home is daunting, it also sparks our curiosity about the incredible transformations our planet has already endured throughout its history. The possibility of life arising anew after such a catastrophic event is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature. And now I want to hear from you. What do you think would be the most interesting outcome of a rogue planet colliding with Earth? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your voice matters. Also, before you go, I have a question for you. Do you think life could evolve again after a catastrophic event like a rogue planet collision? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to show your support. Every like and share helps us bring you more amazing content. Thanks for joining me on this journey through space exploration and discovery. Keep looking up and keep asking questions, because the universe is full of wonders waiting to be uncovered. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and most importantly, keep believing in the infinite possibilities that lie ahead.